your marks.
Margarets, San Capistrano, ranked number 4 in the division, the Academy League champs. They're in Chadwick. They were 3rd in the sweeps of the Mount Sac Invitational. Cate, Holly, Public Safety Academy, and the District League champs, and Hawthorne Math Science, Coastal League champions. Aquinas, Campbell Hall, Mary Start of C, Mesa Grande Academy, and Samuel Lee Academy, and St. Paul round out the teams here in Division 5 boys.
Start moving! Take the lead! Take the lead! They're moving slow on it! Take the lead! Good job, Ethan! Heel! Let's go, Coop! Let's go, Michael! Work together! Gotta move up, Jared! Gotta move up, Keegan! Come on, Liam! 1 mile left! You got this!
1 mile! Move up, Ethan! Come on, Aiden! Move up! 1 mile, boys! 1 mile!
Start making a move! I miss her. I didn't use her this time. She helps me out on Saturdays, but I didn't use her for the season. I use her for track.
Keep moving! You got 1 mile left!
I need help for track. Today we have a full house. We have Alaska, because Christian and Deanna brought their dog down around work. So we got them on Fridays and Mondays. With all the dogs doing it. Isn't that crazy? Rito's still kicking. He's a deadly. It looks 50. Boy, we know.
Is that the new one's A4? Yeah. That one looks hard.
Here we go, my man.
That's what's annoying. Dude, I bought my iPhone in like August. And the new one came a month later. Full price, bro.
It's like, oh, it's not like less than $600. There we go, finish through, y'all. Finish all the way through. Finish all the way through. There we go. Go ahead and get some water. Go ahead and get some water. Y'all do y'all best to keep moving. There we go. Get some water. Keep moving. Keep moving. Finish. There we go.
Joshua Thomas was our winner, 11-19. Jack Barnes, Midland second, 11-19 also. Capel Everett of St. Margaret's was third, 11-22. Luke Lassade of Fairmont Prep, fourth at 11-47. Melendez Joshua of St. Paul, fifth, 11-47. Montaz of St. Margaret's, 11-48 and 6. Kevin Shen, St. Margaret's, 11-49 and 7. Arturo De Jesus, Hawthorne Math and Science, 11-49 and 8. Ninth place was Nick Patrick of Cate at 11-49, and 10th Joe Anderson of Gorman Learning Center at 11-51. St. Margaret's, Chadwick, and Cate all have 5 runners across the finish.
Y'all do y'all best to keep moving. Go ahead and get some water. Great race, fellas. Great race, fellas. All the way through, all the way through. Good. Go get some water, y'all. Go get some water. Go get some water.
The other turnovers
There we go. Finish through, y'all. Finish through. Finish through. Great job, my man. Great job, my man. There we go. All the way
And now we've got St. Margaret's, Chadwick, Cate, Hawthorne Math and Science, Campbell Hall, Pacifica Christian, and Aquinas all have 5 finishers.
There we go, y'all. Great y'all. Go ahead and get some water. Please, y'all. There we go, y'all. Great job, fellas. Go ahead and get some water, all right? Do it for like a minute straight. Just like that. Yeah.
Nice job.
All right, bro. Yeah.
Nice job, boys.
Great job, y'all. Go ahead and get some water.
Good job.
All the way through, my man. There we go. There we go. There we go. Go ahead and get some water, my man. Go ahead and get some water. Great break. Finish all the way through, my man. Finish, finish, finish. Great job, y'all. Go ahead and get some water, y'all. Get some water. Y'all do your best to keep moving. All the way through, y'all. All the way through. All the way through. Get to the line. Get to the line. Get to the line. There we go. There we go. Go ahead and get some water, my man. Great race. All right. Great race, fellas. Great job, my man. Keep walking. Keep walking. Get some water. Do your best to keep moving. There we go, my man. Get another one if you need it. Finish all the way through, y'all. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. Ooh, ooh, ooh. There we go. Go ahead and get some water, y'all. Great job, my man. Great job, my man. Go ahead and get some water, all right? Great race. Way to push yourself. Finish, my man. Finish, finish. Come on. Get to that line. Get to that line. Get to that line. There we go. There we go, my man. Great job, my man. Go ahead and get some water. Great race. All the way through, my man. All the way through. All the way through. All the way through. All the way through. Great job. Great job. Go ahead and get some water, my man. Go ahead and get some water. There we go, my man. Keep coming, keep coming. There we go. Finish all the way through that line. Finish all the way through the line. There we go, my man. Go ahead and get some water, all right? Great break. Come on, my man. Let's finish. Let's finish. Get here. Get here. Get here. Get here. There we go, my man. Great job. Great job, man.
It's got a ton of horsepower. I love it. Alright. Now we're getting here. Now we're getting fun stuff. Yeah. I like how we can get over or on almost anything. Yeah, I think you're right. That's super big.